Good morning students. Welcoming to the next video class. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Good. Do you remember that last class concept, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Which one we had completed in the last class, children? Very good. Leaf, isn't it? What's the major function of leaf? Very good. That is involving in a photosynthesis, transpiration, gaseous exchange, isn't it? Then transport of dissolving solute molecules from all the parts. These are the primary functions of leaf, isn't it? Can you able to say some of the secondary functions of leaf, children? Good, very good. Try it. Yes. Very good. First one, supporting function, storaging function. Some leaves are modified. The structures will be modified. Okay. They modified to performing in a good, very good. Some of this additional supporting functions. Clear? Then also they involving in some of the reproductions part. Isn't it? Yes, good. So these are the concepts learned that last class, isn't it? And also we had completed in a parts of the leaf. So there we learn about that is a leaf base, lamina, and then petiole part. Just I am asking that one question, children. Without there is a stalk of the leaf, that's called as the name is known as? Good, very good. What is that? Sessile. Okay, the term is very important. So that's why I give the stress about this word, children. So you should remember that without that is the leaf petiole, without this leaf stalk, that is we are called as the name is known as sessile. Clear, children? Yes, good. Then what else? Good. Try it. Then last, finally we had completed in a venation, isn't it? What is the type of venation? What is venation and what is the type of venation? What are the two major type of venation, children? Very good. Reticulate venation and parallel venation. Clear? Reticulate venation mostly found in dicotyledons plants and parallel venation mostly they present in monocotyledons plants. Okay? So these are the major concept only we had completed in that is the last class, isn't it? Then today's class continuously we are going to learn about that is the leaf phyllotaxy. Okay, this is the new term, technical term in taxonomy, phyllotaxy. What do you mean by phyllotaxy? The leaves are arranging on the stem region that's known as phyllotaxy. Okay, so if we are taking this is the one of the big means, so the leaf is there, isn't it? These leaves are arranging on a stem region that is known as phyllotaxy. Clear, children? Say yes or no? What do you mean by phyllotaxy? The leaves are arranging in the stem region that's we are called as the name is known as phyllotaxy. What is the importance of phyllotaxy, children? What is the importance of phyllotaxy? The leaves, so if we are looking in the plants means so many arrangement of the leaf is there, isn't it? The stem region they arranging in a certain manner, isn't it? But what is the major important concept that's arranging of the leaves in the stem region? Very good. First one, avoiding this overcrowding of this leaf, isn't it? So that's the overcrowding of the leaf means what will happen? What is the effect? So not sufficiently performing that's a photosynthesis function. Clear? So that's the things only the avoiding that overcrowding of this leaf. Clear? Then also the second things, all the leaves they get it in a sufficient sunlight. Clear? The sufficient sunlight. So that's why so the leaves are arranging in a certain manner. Clear, children? Say yes or no? Yes. So here based on this phyllotaxy, okay, the arrangement of the leaves on the stem region, that's the arrangement is we are called as the name is known as phyllotaxy. That arrangement based, so here they are dividing in four types. What are the four types of phyllotaxy means? First one, alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy, world phyllotaxy and ternate phyllotaxy. Clear children? What are the four major types of phyllotaxy? Very good. So all of you listen. Alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy, ternate phyllotaxy and world phyllotaxy. Clear? So let us learn that one by one. Alternate phyllotaxy. Alternate means, so here this is a nodal part only, the leaves are arising. Clear? Each nodal region, they arises only one leaf that presents in an alternate manner means, so that is we are called as, the name is known as alternate phyllotaxy. Okay? Each nodal regions only one leaf. Clear? So that leaves are arranging in an alternate manner, that is we are called as, the name is known as alternate phyllotaxy. This alternate phyllotaxy, all of you listen, they comes under in two types. One is alternate spiral and another one is alternate distichous. Clear? Did you catch these two terms, children? Alternate spiral and another one is alternate distichous. Alternate spiral means, so each nodal regions one leaf is arising, that leaves are they arranging in a spiral manner. So just if you are looking means this one. So here one is present and the next nodal region this one is present, again here. So that's a spiral manner, that each nodal regions one leaf is there. Clear? That is known as alternate phyllotaxy. Clear? Alternate, that's a manner is we are called spiral. Distichous means, so that is, just imagine in front of in your mind Polyalthea. You know that specimen? Yes, Aswagamaram. Clear? So that's a Polyalthea species. So here there is an alternate manner only the leaves are arranging, but that one is they going in the same direction. Clear? So that is we are called as, the name is known as, so the second type is alternate distichous. See, this is the arrangement, this photo. Clear? So this is the alternate manner, each nodal regions only one leaf is arising, but that is going on in an alternate manner, but that is the same directions only going. Clear children? That's one good example of this species is the Polyalthea. Understood, ma? Say yes or no? First, that's phyllotaxy type is over. The second one we are moving into this is second type, opposite phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy means, all of you listen. So all of you look this specimen, children. Each nodal region they arising in two leaves. Okay, that two leaves are they going in an opposite manner. So here one, that's the opposite manner. Understood, pa? The opposite phyllotaxy means each nodal region they arises in a two leaves. That two leaves are they arranging in an opposite manner. That is we are called as, the name is known as opposite phyllotaxy. Understood, pa? Say yes or no? If you want to repeat once again. No need. Okay, good. Clear. So should clear this idea. Yes, good. Then this opposite phyllotaxy also, they comes under in two types, children. What are the two types of that's opposite phyllotaxy means? All of you listen. So the first one is superposed and another one is decussate. Okay. What are the two types? One is superposed and another one is decussate type. Clear? The first one, this superposed means, so already I said that is the things now. So that is the first one. So that each nodal region they arises in two leaves. So that is going in that is the which manner? Opposite manner. That's the ordinary one. So this is the examples of psyllium. So there is a guava species. Clear? Next one, that is the opposite decussate. This opposite decussate means that's a one good example of the species is Calotropis. Here, some of you see this diagram, children. This is the picture. Here, one set of this leaf pairs. Clear? Already I said each nodal region they arises in a two leaf. Clear? That one they presents in a one direction. Then below or above, that is the next pair is they presents in a right angle to that is the particular one. Understood? Thus see here first one is they presents in a one angle, isn't it? Then next you are looking this the below region or this above regions of the leaf, just they turn in a right angle to the particular one. Clear? So this arrangement of the leaf is we are called as the name is known as opposite decussate. The second type opposite decussate. That's good one. And the example is Calotropis eric. Understood? Say yes or no? Yes. The next one is ternate phyllotaxy. The next one is ternate phyllotaxy. So here the ternate means, so each nodal region they arises in a three leaflets. Understood? The three leaves so arises from that each nodal region. That's we are called as the name is known as ternate phyllotaxy. That's a good one example of the species is the Nerium. So this one. Okay. There is a each nodal region they arises in a three leaves. That type of the phyllotaxis we are called as the name is known as ternate phyllotaxy. The good example of the species is Nerium, Arale. Clear? Yes. Then the last one of the type of this phyllotaxy is the world phyllotaxy. So here each nodal regions more than three leaflets. Clear? Each nodal region they presents in a more than three leaflets. That is they arranging in a world manner. So that is arranging in a world manner. So that arrangement of the phyllotaxy is known as world phyllotaxy. So all of you look this specimen, children. Very good. So here each nodal region three or more, isn't it? Already I said three or more leaves are they presents in each nodal part. So this is the node region. So here they presents in a 3. So here they presents in a 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? But this leaves are arranged in a world manner. World means so that's just on a circle like structures. Understood, ma? So this is the type of the phyllotaxis we are called as the name is known as world phyllotaxy. Clear? Understood? Very good. So that is the one a good example of the species. So this is the one of the ornamental plants. So this is called as the name is known as Alamenta. Clear? So this is the final type of the phyllotaxy. So this phyllotaxy, one of the very important topic, children. So the phyllotaxy means you know that the arrangement of the leaves on the stem region is known as phyllotaxy. Based on the arrangement of the stems on the leaf, that based they are classified into 4 types. What are the major 4 types? Can you able to say? Yes, good, very good. First one is alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy, ternate phyllotaxy, and finally that's a world phyllotaxy. Okay. First 2 type, alternate and opposite, there comes under 2 subtypes also, children. Just you remember, alternate, so there is a spiral and very good. So there is a disticus arrangement. Okay. Then opposite, so there is also the presence in a 2. One is superposed and another one is decussate type. Okay. So each one just you remember certain examples also. Understood? Say yes or no? Next we are moving in a leaf type. How will you declare that leaf type? Please tell me. Have you any idea? How will you declare that it's a leaf type? Good. Very good. Do you have any idea? Yes. Yes. Good. One leaf. Okay. That's a one leaf lamina or leaf blade region is present means that we are declaring in a simple leaf. Clear? Then that's comparing to this is the next type. So many leaf lamina are, this is we are called as the leaflets. Later I will tell that leaflets, what do you mean by leaflets? That's the many leaflets are, that is the many leaf lamina or leaf surfaces present means that we are called as a compound leaf. Okay, this is compound leaf, so this is the examples for simple leaf. Clear? For how many, that's a leaf lamina region, how many segment is present, or how many component is there present in a leaf lamina region. Based on that, they are dividing in two type of the leaves. One is a simple leaf and another one is the compound leaf. Clear, ma? Yes. Very good one example of the species is one of the leaf, the leaf surface, only one leaf lamina or leaf blade region is present means that we are called as, the name is known as a simple type of leaf. Good examples is very more species is there, children. So there is examples of mango and then examples of hibiscus and then ficus, so many jackfruit, everything else they comes under in, that is the type of simple leaf. Clear? Then compound leaf. Compound leaf means, so they comes under in many types, children. That compound leaf is, they divided into mainly two types. What are the two types means? One is pinnately compound leaf and another one is palmately compound leaf. Clear? The pinnately compound leaf means, so all of you listen, only one rachis. So this is, we are called as, the name is known as rachis. Okay, the term, technical term is, we are called as, the name is known as rachis. Rachis. Okay, don't forget this term. Okay, rachis. So this only one rachis is there. Then they presents in some of the leaflets. So this is, we are called as the small leaf lamina or leaf blade region is forming. So this one is, we are called as, the name is individual segment is, we are called as, the name is known as leaflets. Understood, pa? Say yes or no? Only one rachis, so their presence in so many, that is the leaflet is there means, so that is we are finalizing in, that is a compound leaf. Okay, pinnately compound leaf and palmately compound leaf. So this pinnately and palmately compound leaf means that's one rachis. They presence in many small leaflets means, so that is we are called as a pinnately compound leaf. Palmately compound leaf means, so just you look this picture, children. The tip of the petiole, there are many leaflets are, so yeah, just a poem like structures. So many leaflets are arranging in the tip of the petiole region. That is we are called as, the name is known as palmately compound leaf. Clear? For examples of the species of Gossypium varieties. Gossypium means cotton. Clear? So there they present, that is the leaf type is, we are called as, the name is known as palmately compound leaf. Clear? Then here this pinnately compound leaf and palmately compound leaf. So there is a two type, pinnately compound leaf and palmately compound leaf. This comes under many subtypes. Clear? First one, the pinnately compound leaf means, so they comes under the four major types, right? Unipinnate, bipinnate, tripinnate and decompound. Clear? Unipinnate, very good. Bipinnate, tripinnate and decompound. So these are the four subtypes, they comes under pinnately compound leaf. That's a unipinnate means, already I said that is the concept. First one, very good. Only one rachis is there. Clear? Only one rachis, they presents in a small leaflets that is we are called as the name is known as pinnately compound. That's the same one as substituted in here, unipinnate. Clear? This unipinnate, they comes under two types, children. One is peripinnate and another one is imperipinnate. Clear? What are the two types, ma? Very good. Peripinnate and another one is the imperipinnate. Clear? First one, the peripinnate means, all of you listen the concept clearly, okay? Peripinnate, I mean, the leaflets are, all of you listen, the leaflets are, they present in an even number. So, if you are looking, this is the region, so that leaflets are, they present in an even number means, so that is we are called as, the name is known as peripinnate. That's good example of the species is tamarind. Understood, ba? Say yes or no? What do you mean by peripinnate? The leaflets, they present in an even number. That is we are called as, the name is known as peripinnate. That's good example is tamarind pulli. Clear? Then next one, the leaflets, they present in an odd number. See, this is the tip region. So here they present only one, isn't it? That's the tip region. I mean, so there is the leaflets, they present in an odd number means. So that is we are called as, the name is known as, the technical term as we are calling imperipinnate. That's a good one of the example of the species. Can you able to say this is specific name? Very good. Azadirachta indica. The commonly we are calling that name is known as neem species. Clear? Yes. Good. The next one, so the second one is bipinnate. Bipinnate means you know that. So this is the primary rachis. From this is they developing in a secondary rachis. That secondary rachis, their presence in a leaflets. That is we are called as a bipinnate. Clear, children? So just look this photo. So this is that second one. Okay, primary rachis is there. So this one, the primary rachis is there. Again they arises in the secondary rachis. The secondary rachis only their presence in a small leaflets. Clear, children? This is we are called as, the name is known as bipinnate. Clear? The next one is tripinnate. Tripinnate, so that is the very one of this good example of the species is this one. Can you identify this? Moringa, correct. Yes, good. So here, all of you see this one, how they are telling in a tripinnate. So here, primary rachis is there, isn't it? From this is the primary rachis, again they produce us in a secondary rachis. Am I correct, children? This secondary rachis, again the small rachis is arising, isn't it? That is tertiary rachis. Clear? This tertiary rachis only their presence in the leaflets. Clear, children? First primary rachis, secondary rachis, again they arises in a tertiary rachis. From this tertiary rachis only their presence in a which one? Very good. Leaflets are present. Okay. So that is we are called as, the name is known as tripinnate. Clear? First one unipinnate, bipinnate, tripinnate. Clear? Are you clear the concept? Very good, children. Then finally, if we are looking, this is that the last type is decompound. Clear? So here that is the one of the best example of this coriander. Okay? So kotamali. So here the leaflet is so many divisions, so many dividing to presence in the leaflets. So that's why we are calling as, the name is known as decompound. Clear? The leaflets are so many divisions occur here. So that is we are called as, the name is known as decompound type of compound leaf. Clear, children? That's a good example is the coriander. Okay, so these are the subtypes of this pinnately compound leaf. Clear? Are you understood, ma? Yes, very good. So just you have to be the main concept. What is that? So that based. So just you have to be keep it in your mind. So we will see that's the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.